Oh wait, I need to put this on first. Yes. I don't hear anything.
Because it's not on.
Because you're in a headset.
Hello, everybody. Corrections, Cessna 172, Lima Foxtrot, departing runway 27, St. Charles traffic. Beautiful, huh?
St. Charles traffic, Cessna 714 Zulu Golf is taking off of 27. St. Charles.
St. Charles traffic, Cessna 172, Lima Foxtrot, turning north at the moment.
Right there. Air 7, contact Kansas City Center 128.35.
St. Louis approach, Cessna 172, Lima Foxtrot.
Skunk 172, Lima Foxtrot, St. Louis approach.
November 172, Lima Foxtrot, would like to get a flight following.
Cessna Cessna 2 Lima Foxtrot, say present position, requested en route altitude and destination.
We are approximately 5 miles northeast of Smartfield at 3,800.
Cessna 2 Lima Foxtrot, roger. Where would you like to fly to and at what altitude?
We would like to get Bravo transition to this. Yep.
Air 720, contact Kansas City Center 128.35. Cessna 2 Lima Foxtrot, squawk 4650.
4650, November 172, Lima Foxtrot.
And 0 Mike Whiskey, contact Kansas City Center 127.47, and just let them know when you're direct Nashville, my hometown. We'll see you later. And 0 Mike Whiskey 127.47, 2747. $42, turn left heading 360, descend and maintain 3000. Cessna 2 Lima Foxtrot, radar contact 1 mile east of the Jerseyville Airport. Cleared through St. Louis Bravo Airspace, flighting 180.
180, Cessna 172, Lima Foxtrot. So we are clear.
Grim 51, St. Louis approach, descend and maintain 10,000, and what approach would you like it, Scott? Grim 51, you can expect that. 8 is kilo is current. Scott, altimeter 2992. Answer Mike Whiskey, roger. Try a 127.7, just 27.7. See if that one picks up. Mafia 37, St. Louis departure, radar contact, say request. Mafia 37, turn left heading 090, maintain 2,500, vector ILS, runway 26 left, or correction, localizer, runway 26 left approach. $42 is 6 miles from east, turn left heading 290, maintain 2,500 until established on the localizer. Cleared ILS runway 26 left approach. Mafia 37, turn left heading 080. Cessna 2 Lima Foxtrot, turn right heading 210.
210, 2 Lima Foxtrot. So he just gave me a direction to go 210. Correct.
$42, contact Spirit Tower 124.75.
Do you guys see the airport that we just
There's at 917 Bravo,
departed
go 2,500 for 1000.
That's the airport that we just depart from.
Clear 917 Bravo, Echo St. Louis departure, radar contact. Seneca 148 Papa Foxtrot, St. Louis approach, VFR altitude, your discretion, and deviate as needed for the weather, and 30 left and runway 5 in use at downtown.
Can you repeat that last transmission, 2 Lima Foxtrot?
Okay, Papa Fox, Roger. And who else had a request?
We in Bravo Airspace.
Departure 917 Bravo Echo request.
Clear 7 Bravo Echoes, go ahead.
Yeah, any chance we can go direct Champaign?
Clear 7 Bravo Echo, I think that'll be just fine. Let me just check with the center. Clear 7 Bravo Echo, proceed direct Champaign.
Direct Champaign 7 Bravo Echo, thanks.
Mafia 37, turn left heading 350.
That's Lambert Airport right there. Lambert. Beautiful, huh? Beautiful.
Clear 7 Bravo Echo, contact Kansas City Center 127.27.
12727, 917 Bravo Echo, thanks.
Mafia 37 is 6 miles from east, turn left heading 290, maintain 2,500 till established on the localizer. Cleared localizer, runway 26 left approach. Jet 573, San Luis approach, back to visual approach, runway 26 left. Weber 2205, contact Kansas City Center 126.22.
Crim 51, just going to maintain 4,000. Jet 573, fly heading of 305, take you through a hole in the weather, and then direct Spirit after that. Mafia 37, Spirit Tower 124.75. Over 2 Lima Foxtrot, flighting 190.
190, 2 Lima Foxtrot. St. Louis.
Grim 51, the airport's 12 o'clock and 10 miles, maintain 3,000. Jet 573, descend to maintain 10,000. This heading looks pretty good from what I'm showing. I don't know if you'll concur with that. Delta 863, maintain 2,500.
Southwest.
Grim 51, turn running 120. American 2444, St. Louis approach, on the visual approach, runway 30 left. Grim 51, the airport is 10 o'clock and 4 miles. Grim 51, cleared visual approach, runway 32 right. You can contact Scott Tower on 253.5.
Clayton.
November 2 Lima Foxtrot, VFR altitude to your discretion.
Roger that. 2 Lima Foxtrot.
Delta 863, turn right heading 210. American 2444, maintain 10,000. Departure Schneider heading 125. Jet 573, descend and maintain 6,000. November 2 Lima Foxtrot, you can resume navigation.
Roger that. 2 Lima Foxtrot.
Delta 863, the airport is 2 o'clock and 8 miles. Roger that. Delta 1688, descend and maintain 4,000. November 8, Papa Foxtrot, VFR traffic 2 o'clock, 3 miles. Currently they're southbound, altitude indicates 3,200.
Looking for jet traffic. 2 Lima Foxtrot.
Delta 863, cleared visual approach, runway 30 left, tower is 118.5. Good day.
There's supposed to be an airplane in front of us. Below us.
November 8, Papa Foxtrot, thank you.
Wanna fly it? Jet 573, descend and maintain 5,000. November 148, Papa Foxtrot, contact downtown tower 119er, point at 902. Southwest 1383, contact St. Louis Tower 118.5, good day. Southwest 623, descend and maintain 4,000. American 2444, descend and maintain 7,000. AC 4152, St. Louis departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 15,000. Fly heading 270 for your climb.
AC-4152 heading 270. Southwest 1688, turn left heading 030. AC-4152, you can expect it direct to Barry next. Southwest 1688, descend and maintain 2,500. November 561 Juliet Sierra, St. Louis approach, plan runway 30 left. AC-4152, turn left direct to Barry. Southwest 1688, thank you. I'll have one more turn to follow company. South 1688, turn left heading 330, cleared visual approach runway 30 left. Jet 573, descend and maintain 2,500. You can fly direct to ease when you're able. American 2444, descend and maintain 4,000.
St. Louis approach, Cessna 172, Lima Foxtrot, request frequency change.
Right there. 172 Lima Foxtrot, if you would just stay with me for a few more miles, there's some traffic maneuvering at your 10 o'clock and 10 miles at 3,000. Once you get past him, I'll switch you over.
Roger that, 172 Lima Foxtrot.
Southwest 1688, contact St. Louis Tower, 118.5, good day.
Looks like a fishery, huh?
Southwest 623, turn left heading 030, maintain 2,500. Jet 573, the airport, 10 o'clock, 7 miles. Number 1 Juliet Sierra, descend and maintain 6,000. Jet 573, cleared visual approach, runway 26 left. Pier 27, St. Louis departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 7,000. Jet 573, Spirit Tower, 124.75. You as well. Southwest 623, the airport, 10 o'clock, 10 miles. Southwest 623, cleared visual approach, runway 30 left. November 2 Lima Foxtrot, the VFR traffic is 10 o'clock, 6 miles, maneuvering at 3,100 indicated.
Looking for traffic, 2 Lima Foxtrot.
AC 4152, Kansas City Center, 128.35.
It's supposed to be an airplane at 10 o'clock.
American 2444, turn left heading 03. Mafia 37, Spirit Tower 124.75. Over 2 Lima Foxtrot, flighting 190.
190, 2 Lima Foxtrot. St. Louis.
Grim 5-1, the airport's 12 o'clock and 10 miles, maintain 3,000. Jet 573, descend to maintain 10,000. This heading looks pretty good from what I'm showing. I don't know if you'll concur with that. Delta 863, maintain 2,500.
Southwest.
Grim 5-1, turn routing 120. Target 2444, St. Louis approach, on the visual approach, runway 30 left. Grim 5-1, the airport's 10 o'clock and 4 miles. Grim 5-1, cleared visual approach, runway 32 right. You can contact Scott Tower on 253.5. November 2 Lima Foxtrot, VFR altitude to your discretion.
Roger that, 2 Lima Foxtrot.
Delta 863, turn right heading 210. Target 2444, maintain 10,000. Departure Schneider heading 125. Jet 573, descend and maintain 6,000. November 2 Lima Foxtrot, you can resume navigation.
Roger that, 2 Lima Foxtrot.
Delta 863, the airport is 2 o'clock and 8 miles. Roger that. Delta 1688, descend and maintain 4,000. November 8, Papa Foxtrot, VFR traffic 2 o'clock, 3 miles. Currently their southbound altitude indicates 3,200.
Looking for jet traffic, 2 Lima Foxtrot.
Delta 863, cleared visual approach, runway 30 left, tower is 118.5. Good day.
There's supposed to be an airplane in front of us. Below us.
November 8, Papa Foxtrot, thank you. Jet 573, descend and maintain 5,000. November 148, Papa Foxtrot, contact downtown tower 119er, point 902. Southwest 1383, contact St. Louis Tower 118.5, good day. Southwest 623, descend and maintain 4,000. American 2444, descend and maintain 7,000. AC 4152, St. Louis departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 15,000. Fly heading 270 for your climb. AC 4152, heading 270. Southwest 1698, turn left heading 030. AC 4152, you can expect direct to Barry next. Southwest 1688, descend and maintain 2,500. November 561 Juliet Sierra, St. Louis approach, plan runway 30 left. AC 4152, turn left direct to Barry. Southwest 1688, thank you. I'll have one more turn to follow company. South 1688, turn left heading 330, cleared visual approach, runway 30 left. Jet 573, descend and maintain 2,500. You can fly direct to ease when you're able. American 2444, descend and maintain 4,000.
St. Louis approach, Cessna 172, Lima Foxtrot, request frequency change.
Right there.
172 Lima Foxtrot, if you would just stay with me for a few more miles, there's some traffic maneuvering at your 10 o'clock and 10 miles at 3,000. Once you get past him, I'll switch you over.
Roger that, 172 Lima Foxtrot.
Southwest 1688, contact St. Louis Tower 118.5, good day.
Looks like a fishery, huh?
Southwest 623, turn left heading 030, maintain 2,500. Jet 573, the airport, 10 o'clock, 7 miles. Number 1, Juliet Sierra, descend and maintain 6,000. Jet 573, cleared visual approach, runway 26 left. Care 27, St. Louis departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 7,000. Jet 573, Spirit Tower 124.75. You as well. Southwest 623, the airport, 10 o'clock, 10 miles. Southwest 623, cleared visual approach, runway 30 left. November 2 Lima Foxtrot, the VFR traffic is 10 o'clock, 6 miles, maneuvering at 3,100 indicated.
Looking for traffic, 2 Lima Foxtrot.
AC 4152, Kansas City Center, 128.35.
It's supposed to be an airplane at 10 o'clock.
American 2444, turn left heading 03.
St. Louis Tower, 172 Lima Foxtrot, 3 miles base, left base, 30.
November 2 Lima Foxtrot, wind 070 at 5, runway 30 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, Cessna 2 Lima Foxtrot.
Cessna 2 Lima Foxtrot, keep it rolling all the way down to the end of the runway. You're going to turn right at the end of the runway.
End of the runway, thank you. 2 Lima Foxtrot. A little bumpy, a little windy. A big runway too. What do you think, Matt?
Awesome.
You gonna land the way home? On a smaller runway? Oh, right here? Hi guys. Thank you.
Wash.
One with beef. Yeah.
Now, do you eat a lot of meat?
Yeah, beef.
Got it. Thank you. Oh, thank you.
Sweet potato fries.
Ready to go home? The big runway too. Ready?
traffic helicopter Life Team 1 is 10 north southbound, descending at a 20 to 100. Smart.
Damn. That's why it's there wasn't no fuel. That's why I didn't want any fuel. So that was a 2,000 feet runway.
Jeez. But hey, you made it.
Yep. Central traffic, Cessna 172 Lima Foxtrot, taxi back on runway 9er. Pop the windows too.
Traffic helicopter Life Team 1 is 10 north southbound, descending at a 20 to 100. Smart.
Error.